Hit him hard.
Are you serious?
Hit him hard.
God damn it, I don't want to.
Okay, go.
Dude.
Just like fucking, it's like right there. Just boom, headshot.
If I do this, he's gonna start flipping.
I don't care. I'll fucking hit him with the bat. I'll put him right back out.
Alright, whatever.
Just do it.
What? No, what did you do? Did you feel?
We just fucking hit you with the bat.
I just hit you with the bat.
He was like,
Boom! It's like, boom! And you're like, oh. Did you say your arm hurts?
that's where we just hit you.
Dude, I can't believe you didn't feel that. Like, dude, like, I would have woke up automatically and started kicking ass, but no. Did not go down the way I expected that. You should go back to sleep, Austin. Alright, dude, it's recording. Dude, the round 2, Jesus Christ. Oh my god, this is about to go down terrible. Oh crap. Nope. That was Bailey. That was Bailey. That was Bailey. That was Bailey. Oh! That's great. Ooh, light. Turn on the light. Oh, what kind of light is that?
That's fair.
Oh, dude.
Fucking leave me alone, guys.